Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are host or have co-host rights. That gives you access instantly. Once done, make sure Zoom is updated and the whiteboard feature is enabled in account settings so tools appear. Now open your meeting and click Share Screen, then select Whiteboard. This creates a fresh canvas for everyone. This first step matters because it avoids third-party apps and gives immediate annotation control, so you can begin drawing or adding text without delays. Once the whiteboard is open, you use the toolbar to build content deliberately. Use Draw for diagrams, text for labels, and the eraser to correct mistakes. Change colors to signal priority or categories. Add shapes or sticky notes to group concepts, and use the Select tool to move items. This speeds rearranging. Make new pages when a concept grows, and navigate with the arrows. Save drafts regularly so you can export content later. These steps keep your board organized and clear for participants. To finish, save the whiteboard to PNG or PDF so everyone has a copy. Click the Save or Export button and share the file in chat or email. Then stop sharing and consider assigning a co-host for future sessions or locking the board to prevent accidental edits. If something goes wrong, like tools disappearing, stop and restart the share. Check for Zoom updates, and confirm Whiteboard is enabled in account settings. These quick
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.